All right, back out here kind of shed hunting, and I think I just found a deadhead. Either a deadhead or a weird looking rock, but it definitely looks like a skull. I'll flip this. I don't know if y'all could see that, but I'm gonna try to walk over here. It's looking more like a skull the closer I get. It's a buck skull. Oh. Yep, it's a buck skull. Right here. First buck, technically, of the find. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna leave it right back here. That's pretty cool. Oh, look, there's a hip bone right here too. That's what's up. I'm gonna keep shed hunting. Found another skull. Oh, and is that a leg? Hold up. What is that? Yeah, that looks like another skull. What the heck? Yeah, that looks like a doe skull. Yeah, it is a doe skull. Look at this. Oh, right here. A little doe. And this is no bigger than the size of the palm of my hand. This was a young doe. But look at that. 2 skulls within. Look at this. Hold on. You can't even see it. The other skull, it's like it's right there. Wild. 2 skulls, very close proximity with each other.